What happens when trust, jealousy, and family collide in the worst way possible?
Can you give me the rundown real quick before?
We were just arguing because it just seemed like she's trying to start shit with everybody in the house, saying to her baby dad, because me, her, and her baby dad that are in there. And she kept, like, you're her baby dad. My sister just said this about you. To me. Yeah, he just said this about you. Just about to start shit. And I said, if you're just trying to start shit, then go back to mommy's. Yeah. And then she said, if you want me out, get me out. And I said, I'm not about to do that. Just get out. Stop trying to push my buttons. Just get out.
Okay.
And then she just said, make me get out. And then I said, okay, put Riley down, which is her son. And then still didn't put her hands on her. She just stood up and started swinging on me. And I let her swing on me like 5 times before I did something. And then I start hitting her back. Yeah. And then without even trying to really hit her.
Right here is where things start getting messy and legally important. Notice how both sides are already framing the narrative. One claims self-defense, the other admits to swinging first later on. That distinction matters a lot. Letting someone hit you first doesn't automatically make what follows justified, especially when children are present. And pay attention to the living situation confusion. Who's on the lease? Who comes and goes? Who actually lives there versus who's just visiting? These details might sound like background noise, but in domestic cases, relationships and residency define everything. So here's the question for you. If someone doesn't live there but keeps coming back, where does responsibility really fall?
She's pulling my hair. I have her hair. I'm just dragging her out the house. No, she lives with my mom.
What is your name real quick?
Serena.
Spell it.
Serina.
Alright, what?
30.
Is it this building?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna go in and talk to her. So I'm sorry, I'm sure my sergeant talked to you, but what happened?
I just want her to get out.
Is this your apartment?
Yeah.
Okay. Does she live here with you?
No.
No. Okay. Neither does the baby daddy?
He does. We share the lease, and she comes and goes. She's toxic. He knows that, so he doesn't have her on the lease. I didn't have a place to go, so he put me on his lease. And
so is she on this lease too?
No. She lives with my mom. She's only been here for a week.
But it's her boyfriend or baby daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What started it today?
She just seemed like she was trying to start shit with everybody and make a commotion between me and her boyfriend and say, like, he said, she said, and all that. And I said, if you're just trying to start stuff, can you go back to mommy's? I don't like the toxic shit. I got her at my mom's house because they're all toxic as If you want to argue and start problems, can you just get out?
Yeah.
No, make me. Okay.
Okay.
Second, please, I need to talk. Alright, well, I mean, really don't have an option.
Do you have any injuries?
I don't think so. All she did was pull my hair.
Okay. I just gotta ask. Do you want EMS to come check you out or anything like that? Okay. Just making sure. Is this your son?
Yeah.
He's cute.
I am pregnant.
Are you? Okay.
I don't know, but she didn't hit my belly or nothing. I don't know if that can fuck anything up with my baby.
This moment hits hard because once kids enter the picture, the stakes instantly skyrocket. You hear concerns about pregnancy, about babies witnessing violence, about fear mixed with adrenaline, and that matters not just emotionally but legally. Officers are trained to prioritize safety first, especially when minors are present. Even if no one feels injured, even if no one wanted this to go further, the presence of children transforms this into something the system cannot ignore. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Arguments that might have ended with slammed doors now trigger mandatory protocols. So ask yourself, when emotions are high and kids are watching, does accountability shift automatically?
What's going on?
Can you please start to 1178 First Street for 10?
I had said, my baby dad had said, I'm like mad right now, so it's like hard to explain.
It's cool.
But, so.
Certainly, inside.
My son's in there.
Do you want to go in there so we can keep an eye out?
Sure.
Okay. Is there anyone else in there besides him?
No, just me and my friends.
Okay. Yep. What's up, buddy? Huh?
My boyfriend, I thought he had said for my sister to hurry up. And then I told her and she had got mad. The whole time that's not what he said. But then she thinks that I was trying to start shit.
Are you boyfriend?
She thinks I was trying to start shit and I said I wasn't. And then she came back in after she left because she got pissed and she's like, okay, well I'm calling the cops because I'm not trying to deal with this ghetto ass shit.
Hey, sir.
And
You mind standing up here? We just gotta talk real quick.
You gotta talk to me. I wasn't in here.
Okay, can you just hang out up here? Would you mind doing that?
I mean, it's my house, so I have to.
We're just trying to piece together what happened. It's easier when everyone's here. Just give me a minute. That's all I'm asking. So you stay here?
yeah,
Was that your...
that's my sister. His girlfriend.
Okay.
So it was just a misunderstanding. I basically said that Styles, I guess, said hurry up. And I told her, and then she got mad about it. And then Styles ended up coming back in and then telling me that that's not what he said. And he said that he would just be in the car. And I was like, okay, well, I thought that's what he said. And then she was like, no, you're trying to start some shit, Sissy. I know you. You're trying to start some shit. And I was like, what do I have to lie for? I'm grown as That's not.
So
that's,
your boyfriend's outside?
And the whole day was going great. I wasn't trying to ruin it.
Okay.
And then, Styles had came in because she said, okay, so she said that, oh, I'm gonna call the cops because I don't want to deal with the ghetto ass shit. Okay. And I was like, okay. And then she came back in, and then she started pressing me about this situation, with me and her baby dad. Her baby dad flashed me, and so she brought that up again, like she does all the time, because she just doesn't believe what I said. And she said, oh, I want screenshots, oh, I want descriptions of what his fucking looks like, and all that shit. So basically, I feel like she's just maybe holding grudges against me.
Okay.
And, yeah. And then she did and then after that, she's like, well, I want to fight. Let's fight. And then she's like, put Riley down. And I was like, no. It's like, all right, scary ass bitch. And so I put him down, and I run up on her and I hit her. And then after that, she's like, ha, I'm pressing charges now. After she antagonized me and told me, oh, you're a scary ass bitch.
You said you hit her first?
Yeah, I did.
This is the moment the entire case pivots. She openly admits on camera that she hit first. That single sentence reshapes everything officers are about to do. In domestic violence investigations, police aren't deciding who's nicer. They're determining the primary physical aggressor. Even if someone was provoked verbally, even if emotions were running wild, the first physical strike carries massive legal weight. And here's the irony. What started as trash talk and jealousy just became evidence. This is why officers slow everything down, separate people, and replay timelines. So let me ask you, should words ever justify throwing the first punch?
I did.
Where'd that happen at? In here?
Yeah, right here in front of my sons. While her son was in the car by himself. Yes, these are my babies.
Where's that at?
Their dad's right here.
So, I'm sorry, I'm working through this. So you guys live here?
No, Ariana. My sister lives with my baby dad. Isn't that kind of weird?
Okay, so sister outside lives here with him.
Yeah.
You don't stay here? Where do you stay?
I stay in New Philly with my mother.
Okay. So, you guys share these kids in common?
Yeah.
Yep.
These are both his.
And then who's...
That's somebody else's kid.
Okay.
It's my DJ.
Alright. So do me a favor. We're gonna step outside real quick. And then we'll...
My mom is coming to get me as well.
Say that again?
My mom is coming to get me as well.
Alright. Alright. Let's sit tight for a minute.
Hello. Where's Serena at? Hey Serena, can you come out here and talk to me real quick? I just gotta ask you a few more questions.
Can she talk in
You
here?
want to keep the baby in here?
Can she talk in here?
No, we're gonna go out there and talk.
Why out there?
Huh? Because we just gotta ask her a few questions out there.
I'll tell you in a sec.
What's the few
You gonna
questions?
go inside, bud? I'm gonna step inside and I'll talk to you too. There's trying to separate her from the kids because unfortunately she's gonna be under arrest for domestic violence.
This is where viewers usually get confused and frustrated. You hear people yelling, "She's not pressing charges." But here's the key legal reality. In Ohio, domestic violence cases are state-driven, not victim-driven. That means officers don't need permission to arrest if they determine probable cause. Family relationship? Check. Physical altercation? Check. Primary aggressor identified? Check. At that point, the arrest is no longer optional, it's policy. And that's why emotions outside explode while officers stay calm. They're not taking sides, they're following statute. So the real question becomes, should the law override personal wishes when family violence is involved?
We just don't want to do it for the kids.
For how long?
Handcuffs, okay? And we're gonna go out to my car and talk about it, okay?
I really don't want to see your son.
Hey, watch out, watch out. I'm not gonna lie. Watch out. See, we getting there.
I'm sorry, baby.
She not pressing charges, so what the y'all doing now?
Prefer to arrest state.
No, man, the state, man. No, that shit. Now y'all doing this shit on your own. She said she's not pressing charges. She not pressing charges, so let her go. No, let her go. She's not pressing charges now, so let her go. They're sisters. Man, I don't give a bro. Let her go. Bro, man, come on, bro. On God, bro. Let her go, bro. Dead ass, bro. Let her go. No. Let her go. Man, bro, get the out of here, man. Get the out of here, bro. It's a state choice, man. Get the out of here, bro. Y'all doing that on purpose. Y'all see that she black. Get the out of here, bro. Come on now. She not pressing charges. Get the out of here, bro. Get out. Get out. Get out of this shit. Y'all get the out. Get the out. Man, get the out. I said get the out. You smirking and shit. Get the out, bro. Get ass. Get the out. Y'all did y'all job, bro. What the y'all still here for? Dumbass. What the you still here for? What? You just gonna stand here? Stupid ass. Get your ass on. Yeah, walk your ass on. Hey. Right. You smiling. You got that on. You smiling because you got that on. That's what you see.
So listen here. So in the state of Ohio, it is a preferred arrest to arrest for domestic violence. And you guys are sisters, so it makes it domestic, okay? We're gonna leave your children with that, okay? But you do have to go to the county tonight, okay? Have you ever been arrested with domestic before? No. Have you been arrested with anything? Okay. Okay.
We're gonna relocate out.
Okay.
I didn't want to press charges or anything. I just wanted her out.
So in the state of Ohio, it's a preferred arrest.
Because it's domestic violence.
Did you take pictures of that?
I did.
Okay.
So I was kind of waiting to see what they were doing down there, but because it's you and your sister, and obviously you are family related, and so that makes it domestic violence. And like he kind of said, in the state of Ohio, we have preferred arrest if we can determine who's the primary physical aggressor.
Y'all could have let that shit go. Come on now.
Just give her the report.
Look at this shit, bro. Y'all could have let that shit go.
Let me.
Y'all niggas weird as for that shit. Dead ass. And where that toy one go? Bro, you where y'all go?
We can walk back over here. I know you got to get his shoes and everything. So, just with, I know you said you guys got into a physical altercation, and I know you told me that she struck you first, and just with, like you said, like the nature of being domestic violence, it's the route we have to take per our job. So I know that's kind of not what you wanted to hear, but it's unfortunately going to be the route for tonight. So here's that report number, and I gave you that number for victims assistance. With it, I know we kind of talked about the protection order with victims assistance doing it for you, but due to this being a domestic violence situation, there will already be one put in place.
This explanation is crucial because it shows how one night can trigger long-term consequences. The temporary protection order isn't a punishment. It's automatic in domestic violence cases. It creates immediate legal distance while the court decides what happens next. No contact, no return, no debate. And from here, everything shifts into the court system. Arraignments, hearings, possible extensions. Even if both parties regret how this unfolded, the process moves forward without them controlling it. This is the part most people don't realize until it's too late. So think about this. Was this outcome inevitable once things turned physical?
It's a temporary protection order. And then after the court process, that'll be up to the courts and they decide that. Okay? Like if you keep like the protection order past that's something they do. So there'll be an immediate one from tonight that we put into place. And then that'll be in place throughout her like court proceedings and all that. So
She has to go to court?
yeah. She's gonna go to jail tonight because it's domestic violence.
For how long?
I don't know.
So let's bring this all together. What began as family tension and jealousy spiraled into a domestic violence arrest. Not because someone wanted revenge, but because the law required intervention. The judge will now weigh statements, evidence, and that on-camera admission as the case moves forward. This situation highlights a harsh truth. Once physical violence happens within family relationships, control shifts from the people involved to the legal system itself. Whether you agree with the outcome or not, the implications are serious and lasting. Now I want to hear from you. Who do you think crossed the line? Was the arrest justified? Or should officers have handled this differently? Backhand index pointing right if you found this case as shocking as we did. Make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.